Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best camping solar panel kit you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many camping solar panel kit and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each camping solar panel kit, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a camping solar panel kit. First, check the power output and efficiency to ensure it can charge all your essential devices like phones, lights, or portable fridges. Next, consider the portability and weight, as you'll need something easy to pack and carry during trips. Durability also matters, so look for panels that are weather resistant and built to handle outdoor conditions. Pay attention to compatibility with your devices and the type of connectors provided. Battery storage capacity is another key factor, especially if you plan to use energy at night. Lastly, compare prices and warranties to find good value and reliable support. Choosing the right balance between power, portability, and durability will make your camping experience easier and more sustainable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more outdoor tips.